This video tutorial will show you how to create your first professional email signature. In the first step, you must choose a pre-created signature template to start. This featured template is good. Let's start editing with this example. In this part, I'll add the employee's name and position. Next, I'll add a face photo with a circular crop. A company logo could also replace that face photo if you want. I'll remove the existing information and add the employee's contact details in the middle part. The company only uses 2 social media platforms, so I'll add the icons in this part. Save the data so you don't lose the changed information. The idea is to have a clickable signature, so I'll add action links in these text fields. Finally, I'll add a banner for the store address in the signature footer. The signature is complete. Save and click the Paste in Email button. You can copy the rendered signature content on this page, email a test, share, or clone to create a similar signature.